Hi, digital planners. This is Tina Phillips, and today I'm just going to do a quick new product that I'm trying out, and that is an undated version of my twist and shout planners. I'm kind of starting to head towards undated in that it's just easier for people. They can use it from year to year, and it's much easier for me to maintain. So I'm just going to go do a quick walkthrough of this. This is my first twist and shout in undated. And I had a customer request this in teal and rose gold. This is my very first planner, other than the purple and purple fun one. So in this version, you will get a horizontal cover, and you also get a vertical cover, which I'm going to try to show you that. That is me kind of turning my iPad, by the way. I cannot record straight from my iPad and do twisting. It doesn't like that, so I have to do a screen recording of my iPad. So when you see that little weird screen thing, that's just me twisting the iPad. And you also get like a blank cover where you can kind of say this planner belongs to, decorate how you want to. I know I said this is undated. However, you do get a dated year at a glance. So I went ahead and did this. And as with all of my planners now, they both come with a Sunday start or a Monday start. So there's just no confusion. You don't have to worry about which one you're buying. You have the option of downloading either one you want. And this is the Monday start, obviously. And you get a Monday start month. And as you can see, they're undated. You also get a blank Monday start week. And then I added the portrait daily. Again, that's me twisting my iPad. And it fills up the screen when you rotate your iPad. It makes it nice and easy to take notes and things like that. I also kept the dividers between each month, so it's just easier to find things. So you also get the 9 tabs at the top, as well as the little heart paper clip there, where it goes to all the extra layouts that you can play around with. You have extras like the Kanban chart. You have a weekly workout. This is actually 2 weeks in one, so you can just kind of duplicate that page and move it where you want for each month. And these are all meant to be duplicated, and then you'd move the duplicate wherever you need it to go. There's also a weekly meal with a grocery list. There is there's a vertical week, a dot grid, project line, blank, a work daily. This is in case you decide that you don't want the portraits and you just want a couple of dailies in there that are for work that are horizontal. You also have the hourly. This is my original daily and that I kind of adapted to the portrait. But if you still prefer the vertical or the horizontal, you can have it. And then a more in-depth food journal. And as you can see, when you zoom in, it stays nice and clear. So there's no worrying about fuzzing out or anything like that. And then you also have these little blank where it says landscape. You have like 4 different blanks that you can actually go to blank templates. So if you have a template that you want to add of your own as a PNG insert or whatever, you have the ability to just kind of write in the title. And in portrait layouts, I also gave you different layouts in the portrait mode. So you also have a horizontal week in a portrait mode, or you have a quadrant week in a portrait mode, or you have an hourly daily. That's an extra one in case you need it. And then you have the simple line, grid, dot grid, and blank, and then a bunch of blank ones as well that you can add your own inserts to. So that kind of wraps that back up. So you have each month, 12 months, and you have these extra tabs that you can also put any kind of the first 4 or 5 are actually horizontal, and then the last 4 are vertical tabs. So you have the ability to put any kind of inserts that you want to on here as well. And that's kind of wraps about up. You have quite a bit to play with and move around and customize as you see fit. And I will have this up for sale very soon. And I will probably go ahead and also adopt the other twist and shouts to be undated as well, and have those up as an option for people. So I hope you have a great day. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.